YouTube, what's going on? What's going on? How y'all doing? We back with another Sunday's watch list. I'm on IG Live on my phone, and I'm on YouTube Live. Everybody do me a favor, comment where you from. You know the drill. Y'all know the drill. Y'all know the drill. Everybody do me a favor, comment where you from. We got Kansas City, Puerto Rico, Santa Fe, New Mexico. Let's show the show live. This is dope. New Jersey, ATL from, okay, Houston, Eastern Shore, Maryland, Little Rock, Arkansas, ATL. We got Arizona. We got Bama in the house. We got a lot of folks in the house, baby. Let's get it. How y'all doing? How y'all doing, Brooklyn? All right, so if you made money, comment yes. If you made money, comment yes. All right. If Stock Sundays has made you money, comment yes. All right. We're going to get right into it, folks. We're going to get right into it. Here's what we're watching. So let's see how many yeses we get. So y'all know what time it is. While everybody commenting yes, we're going to talk about it. Today we're going to talk about what I'm watching, what to look out for next week. Some trade recaps, some Q&As at the end. We're going to dive deep into getting this money. That's what we do in Stock Sundays. Y'all know what time it is. It's your boy Aristotle Investments. So let's look at all these yes. Hayward said yes. All right. Let me see who else said yes. Vontae, yes. Texas boy, yes. Oliver, yes. Victor, yes. Zesto, yes. PM, Jeannie D, yes. All right, I love it. I love it. Yes, yes, yes. So many yeses. Anna, Ronnie Black, Jaquane Porter, Vic. Okay, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Yes, yes, yes. I love it. I love it. All right. So we're going to get into what to look out for next week. So today is Cinco de Mayo, ain't it? Happy Cinco de Mayo. Yes, it is. All right. Shout out to the Migo them. You know. That's what I call them. Migo them. Friend them. All right. So what we got today? Today we have, all right. Try to zoom in on my. So Monday we have no major reports. Tuesday, nothing really going on. Wednesday, wholesale inventories, weekly unemployment. Look like a free week of trading. This might be a week to be on my desk and trade. This might be a good day trading week. I can feel it, folks. If you're into day trading, this will probably be the best week. No real, job reports and, no real CPI, FOMC stuff, Forcecom stuff, none of that stuff. So that's dope. Last week we went crazy. So if you're not a part of Small Account Challenge, you are tripping. Small Account Challenge where I literally verbatim tell you what I'm playing. I'm flipping people's accounts like crazy, but yeah. HD, we end up banking 30%. Uber and AbbVie were 40%. IBM. So 4 trades, he ain't in my chat, you tripping. Let's go over this watch list though, folks. So SPY has now kind of hovered towards the 100 MA, which is this white line. So on Stock Sundays, I did predict that it was going to come down to the 100 and then bounce. And I also predicted that it was going to fill this gap. Now, and I also predicted it was going to fall from this bearish engulfing. So I predicted this bearish engulfing, I predicted this gap fill, and I predicted the bounce. All right, and that's all on Stock Sundays. So, I'm just telling y'all, technicals are king. If you've been watching this show for a long time, you know that the charts kill all the noise, okay? So everything you ever heard of and whatnot, the charts have led the way. I have made millions because of these charts on stocks, okay? So yes, you are talking to somebody who has made over an M with stocks in total, or you're listening. So QQQ bounced as well. This is the, the tech company, well, ATF. Tesla has a gap to fill. Let's talk about it. Amazon. I'm going to just talk about my favorite stocks. So we're just going to go over my 2 first, and then we're going to go over why I like them, and we're going to study these 2. How about that? So let me go to my phone, my other phone real quick, and let me see what I screenshotted. I screenshotted a few of them. Okay, I like this one. And then let's see, I like Dollar General, Oracle, and maybe AbbVie. All right. So that'll be my top three. Dollar General, Oracle, and maybe AbbVie. So let's see Dollar General first. All right, Dollar General. So Dollar General, I was charting this on my cellular phone, on my iPhone, but I like this. I like this pullback to the 200 MA zone, and I also like the pullback to the 200 MA zone, and the fact that it's oversold on the RSI, so that could be a good one. The same reason I also like IBM. IBM. We'll go look at their spreadsheet too. You know what? Let's not even get ahead of ourselves. Let's go look at Dollar General spreadsheet real quick. Balance sheet. Make sure we are making a keen investment. Right. Let's look up something else. Oh, there we go. So we got to go to Dollar General, DG. All right. So I'm going to go to, I'm on Yahoo Finance. I'm going to go to this tab, Financials, and I'm going to see if I even like their balance sheet. If we look here one more time, folks, I probably have to go over this every time, but what you're looking at is a balance sheet. So when companies IPO, that means that's initial public offering, okay? So let me teach you guys something. A lot of companies go public, some don't. Like Stripe is a private company. They have not IPO'd, so that means they will not be traded on the stock market. What's another known private company that you know? X. X is now a private company. Twitter is no longer, traded on the stock market. What else is a private company that we know? Big companies that are not on the stock market, right? Stripe is, TikTok. TikTok is also one. TikTok is a private company that is not on the stock market. So what does that mean? You and I can't go up and look up TikTok's financials. But when a company IPOs, we can go to Yahoo Finance and look at their financials. So yes, you can go see how much McDonald's made last year, each quarter, everything. So for all of you who want to be nosy, yes, you can go look at the profits that these companies have made. So that is why I study it, because I need to know what type of money you're making to see if you are a good investment. That is why this is called fundamental analysis, what we're doing right now. So fundamental analysis is the study of balance sheets and the profitability of a company. And that is how you determine whether a company is even a good investment in the first place. And then you head to the charts, and then you go see where you enter. The chart is about entry. This is about seeing if the company is worth it. Okay, so this is fundamental analysis when we're looking at this. Okay, people, fundamental is looking at the balance sheet. Technical analysis is looking at the chart for the entry. Okay, so this is how we determine where we enter the stocks, the chart. You will not determine where you enter off this. You will lose every time. So both are equally important. For everybody like, should I learn technicals or fundamentals? Both. From my honest experience, ever since I started learning fundamental analysis, it was a game changer, and I've made literally like 700K more. Just knowing this type of stuff will make you, double, triple your investments. All right. So let's talk about it real quick. Let's just go over something simple. Net profitability. Seeing what they make net. I always go to net. I'm a net type of guy in the first place. Everybody always talk about that gross, because look, and this is what Instagram influencers will do. I made $1 million a month, but then only save 100 racks of that. So that's what imagine if companies did that. Imagine if Dollar General said, I made 38 billion last year, and then you go look at their balance sheet and be like, yeah, but look at that, you only netted 1.6 billion. So you got to add 3 zeros to every number you see. So this is Dollar General. So let me tell you something about Dollar General. Dollar General, you got to know a little bit of knowledge about each company too, because that'll also, so that's another thing, folks, common sense. a lot of people don't really have common sense. Dollar General is in all the country towns, but if we look at their balance sheet, they have been losing year over year. They made a little profit. They've been steady, and in 2024 they've lost. So then you got to go in and see, why did they lose? Is it because of inflation? Is it because of, who knows, competition? There might be a new kid on the block. You know, why? Did you make an investment? Because some companies spent some money, like they might take a year and spend money on development, and you might think it's a loss on their net profitability, but you know, it's just so much stuff that goes into this. But anyways, they're still profitable, so that's a good thing. That's annual balance sheet. We go to the quarterly balance sheet, and they made more money than last quarter. So that's a good news. So why not? Why not take the opportunity? I like Dollar General for a potential entry, and the entry could be, I mean, to me, it's already there. I would say above here though, above 130. 139, above 139, Dollar General, above 139. So that would be my entry for Dollar General. All right. So Dollar General would be it, and then let me see another one. I like IBM. I was looking at IBM the other day. I like their entry. Fell from the sky. If we go look at their balance sheet, you know. IBM, let me see these goddamn guys. Balance sheet. So IBM, for one, this is a great buy on the dip because they had a killer bounce back year of 2023. So looking at their trailing 12 months, they're up 8 billion. So you got to add 3 zeros to every number you see. So killer comeback after 2022 with whatever they changed in 2023. So that's for us to go to places like, you can do Yahoo Finance, you can go to Seeking Alpha, you can go to CNBC and go read news articles to try to go dive deep into why this company was able to profit this much over last year. So one thing I can say is studying companies' balance sheets and keeping up with their balance sheets and keeping up with their earnings has made me a better businessman as well. I'm skunking these dudes. Go check the numbers. So anyways, IBM, I think it was a great entry. We already made a little money off of it, but it was way oversold on the RSI with a strong 200 MA bounce area right here. So this thing could bounce. This could be a simple pullback. What did they do on their earnings? That was a few days ago though. So let's see. They were reported to make 14.4 billion, and they estimated this, but the surprise doesn't make sense. They reported this, okay, revenue, and then earnings 1 point. Okay, so doesn't look bad to me. Doesn't look that bad to me. To me, that doesn't look that bad. I'm looking at IBM stats. Let's go look at their quarterly. I mean, that's probably why they dropped. Correction. It had a nice correction after a nice strong end of the year, March. This is what they profited. I mean, and they're steady. They're steady at about a little over $1 billion every 3 months. So that's pretty dope. And then they having strong months. So yeah, 1.6 billion. That's cool. Not bad. I like IBM. IBM and Oracle. Oracle we already profited on in the chat. We actually banked on Oracle. Like, we banked on Oracle. I'm going to show you this one. When I say we banked, like, we banked. I got in Oracle. That was 425. So I was already banking on Apple right here. I was already banking on Apple. And then we got in Oracle, and that thing printed. We were out at 50% right here. We were out of Oracle at 50%. So that's pretty dope. You know, Oracle, that was cool. And it oh yeah, then I showed my profits. So I made 3K off Oracle. We also made money off Apple, you know, getting money in all types of ways. All right. So let's keep going. So I like Oracle to follow this trend. We went over it, and then I just like Oracle, I do. But Oracle would have to pass approximately above here. So probably like 116.8 would be a great entry for Oracle. So those would be my top. We already looked at SPY. SPY looks like it's in the uptrend. I'm just being honest. I haven't really did much predictions on SPY lately. I've been focused on names, and I seem to always choose the best freaking like timing. Like in the last, because I'm just going to say this real quick. In the last like 3 years, I just been so good on timing. Like I bought the dip, bought leaps, bought a lot of long term. I just been at good time and bought some crypto. Then I just bought some real estate. So one thing I'm learning, folks, is timing is everything. Like timing is key. I recently bought a big real estate project that I've been saving for 2 years. 2 years ago when I wanted to do it, I didn't have the money. So timing is just everything, folks. Like investing, if you really want to get in the stock market, you got to be good on time. But let's keep looking at other stocks. Let's see if we see something else, folks. Had to get on my soapbox because timing is everything, folks. But yes, I've been timing the mess out of this and being patient, learning market flow. One thing I learned is market flow, when to take it serious and when not to. So, you know, it's about that time. If SPY can keep going up, I told people we might get one little dip and then we're going to go past all-time highs, probably run into election. Because usually there's an election run, you know. Let's go look that up, election run. Let's look it up on Google. So let's see, election run. Stock market, election, stock market run. Stock market. And then it's like a term for it. There doesn't seem to be a direct link between the occurrence of an election year and the stock market outcomes. The stock market, as measured by the S&P 500, was down in 3 of the 16 presidential election years since 1960. Only 3? That is actually reverse. That means there is a such thing as election run. Since 1960, only 3 times it was down. So that means, like, how old is 1960? Somebody was born in 1960, they'd be 64. So for the last 64 years, 61 times the stock market has ran until election. That's what that's saying, correct? It was down in 3 of the 16 presidential election years since 16. No, my fault. I'm tripping. It's only 4 years per one. I'm tripping. But yeah, 16, so 3, that's 13. 13, we're good. Okay, cool. 13. So yeah, that does exist. So we may have another, yeah, I'm tripping, y'all. I really added 60. I'm thinking years, but not the terms they serve. But yes, folks, if you really want to, let me show you guys too some trade recaps. So last week, let me see if I can jump to the bottom. So this is what we did last week. All right. HD, Uber, everything. We can go check the gains. And look, you're going to see some incredible gains. So you got somebody who made 1,200. You got somebody whose account is up 43%. Let's see, we got that 43%. Let's see what else we got. Some people are making bank. People are making bank in the chat. Let me show you guys this too. So if you really want to get in with us, check us out. This person too. Let's see what they made. Only made $250 this week. Okay, let's see. Who else? We gonna show some real gains. Consistency from this person. That's dope. What is this? Let's see. This person account is up 27%. So remember, guys, it's all about how will you survive. This person account is up 185%, and that's all from following the small account challenge. So that challenge I'm showing you guys, this right here, I haven't missed in literal 3 weeks. In 3 weeks, I have not missed. And here's a spreadsheet, and that doesn't, the HD doesn't count anymore because that one ended up winning. So that is how these people are making this money. These people are literally getting spoon fed. I only missed 3 trades last month because this one ended up winning for 30% HD. So like that person right there literally followed the small account challenge. Where is it? Let me go back to it. Where is it? Did I pass it? There it go. This person right here literally followed the small account challenge, and they're up 200%. And that's already year to date. This is only since May. It is May 4th, well, May 5th, right? And look at that. Year to date. We don't play. That's honey drip. That's dope though. And look, from the small account challenge, this person up 2,500 off HD. So look, HD ended up being a winner. Home Depot ended up being a winner. You know what I'm saying? Gotta wipe off my camera real quick. Look at all this money people making though from us. This is dope. And it's only $35. Comment the word trial or click the link in the description. This person made 600% off the Apple call that I made. See that? He held Apple. We got so many people who just made money, life-changing money. What's this? His account is up 225%. So look at that, folks. 225% in one day. And look, that's on Honey. Yeah, you know what's going on. That's on Honey Drip. That's on HD. People making money off us. And look, somebody said this made a serious comeback. That's dope. 99% on HD. Somebody said I added. That's dope. I love it though, man. I love what we do. If you really want to get in, comment the word trial. All right. It's only $35, $5 a day for 7 days. Try us out. All right. And what does that come with, folks? That comes with a beginner's course. If you come in the chat, go to read first. Go to read first, follow the 6 steps. That's all you got to do if you want to lock in with me and learn fast. For the people who want to start right now, and I do recommend starting ASAP because in my honest opinion, if you start now, think about it, it's already May. If you, and what is there, like 7 months left in the year? So by December, you got to think about what type of killer you going to be by Christmas time, by November. Like I damn near could fund your whole Christmas. Starting now, I could fund your summer while you doing your summer. You get what I'm saying? I can show you how to pay for those vacations while on vacation. Imagine on vacation. I do this all the time. For 2 hours out of my day, I go make back what I already spent. Imagine that's all it really takes is 2 hours. So that's what this is. This is just easy bread to make from home. No boss, no ass kissing. The reason I like this over anything is because once you learn the skill, nobody can tell you nothing. It's the most freedom you'll ever feel is learning how to trade and make money from the market. But luckily for you guys, I spoon feed. So comment the word trial. It's $35. Everybody's welcome. All right. And think about it, folks. If the world shut down again and the pandemic happens, all right, let's just say whatever, because you know every 10 years something bad has to happen. We got 9/11, we got COVID, we got something's going to happen again, 2030 or 2028, something like that. So when that thing happens, what are you going to do? when robots start replacing everybody's jobs, what are you going to do? All right. So when you come into the chat, at least I can give you something that can help you survive while you're at home. If China goes to bombing them, whatever's going to happen, we know something's going to happen because that's just America. This shit is just, they like to play games around the world. Y'all know this shit, the world is all a game. So play the game, okay, folks? When you come in, come to read first. So while you in your bunker and they bombing the U.S., you can be getting money still because they ain't going to shut down the stock market. I can let you know that right now. They can, during COVID, this wasn't shut down. When think about it, folks, the pandemic, people wearing masks and we still trading. The stock market ain't shut down once. So this don't shut down no matter what. So if I were you guys, I'd come learn this. It's only $35. Come in, follow the 6 steps. If you are new and know nothing about stocks, I got you. All right, tap in. And if you're on YouTube, if you're on YouTube Live, click the link in the description or I'll pin the link in the comments. All right. And that's really it, folks. We're going to get into the questions now. If you're on YouTube Live, ask questions. And yeah, but tap in, folks. And remember, folks, I will make you your ROI. So the $35 that you pay me is nothing compared to what I'm going to make you. And that's facts. I can literally go back to the game channel. We're going to ask questions, by the way, while I'm doing this. Let's see if I can go back. So I go back to the game channel. And think about it. You just paid me $35. This person made $24K already this year. And I don't have a subscription that costs more than this. I don't even, the most my per year cost is probably $2,000 in a year. That's another person, 24K. This person had 64K in a Robinhood. So we got some big ballers, but he made 5K in a week fucking with us. 6% is 6%. Think about it. It's going to take a whole year to get that from American Express, all them. They don't even give you that. They give you a 4%, $1,200. So think about that, folks. It's $35, but everybody made their ROI. Everybody made their ROI. In a day, though. So tap in. All right, so let's answer some questions. Let's answer some questions. All right, so YouTube Live got them real questions. So we gonna show love to YouTube Live. Do you hold bonds in your portfolio, or have you ever traded bonds? It's crazy because I was just talking about bonds yesterday at the bank. And I told him I do want bonds. So what they were saying is bonds can hedge against interest rates. So when the government, like, so you know how like the interest rates are kind of high right now? When the government drops the interest rates, you can make money from that drop via bonds. And bonds is just guaranteed money. You know, whatever. Well, it's not really my forte. I'll talk more about it when I do it, but that's general information that I know about bonds. The government is paying you money. This person said, I made 12K with Aristotle and Brett last week. HD, 4800, Tesla, 3200, and several other trades from that. And I'm from ATL, baby. That's what's up. Shout out to this person. Who else got something to say? That's dope. Let's see. Can we start with less than 2K? Yes. Yes, you can. Roxanne Roberson. Yes, you can. You could start with any amount. Let me show you why. So people can see why. And I do the small account challenge. You can start with something small. Like, people have turned so much money into nothing. Like, let's see somebody who started small. See, this person started with less than 2K, and they're up 18%, made $250. See that? This person started with less than 2K, and they're up almost $300. See what I'm saying, sis? So yes, you can start with less than 2K. Comment trial. pay your 35 and I'll show you what to do, sis. When you pay the 35, come in here and then go to, I'm showing you clear proof of people who did it. And then go to read first. Just go to read first, follow the 6 steps. That's all everybody got to do. When you come into my Discord, go to the welcome channel and then go to read first, follow the 6 steps, and you're golden. For everybody asking me, what do I do next? Just do that and you're good. I've done it for almost 10,000 people. So I have a huge success rate at this. I know what I'm talking about. Let's see. Let me see what else I can say. I'm looking through comments now. Trying to read them before I, When is the small account class? Right after this. So anybody who joins now, thanks for asking. The small account class is literally right after this episode. So at 9:30, if you want to learn how to grow a small account, I'm doing a free small account class. Well, it's not free, it's in my chat. If you pay money, pay your 35, you can attend. It's tonight at 9:30. I'm hosting a private Zoom. Oh, also we have a mentorship. So for everybody, I didn't even show y'all that. Let me show y'all this too. Let me see. So yeah, we got a private Zoom tonight at 9:30. So that's 9:30, folks. And then mentorship also for the guys, for the people who like, okay, teach me the advanced day trading, swing trading, everything you know personally, Aristotle. I want to skip past the beginner's course and I want to be a profitable trader and have all the knowledge that you have about the stock market. If you want all of the knowledge, it's only $1,200. Join my mentorship, comment mentor if you're on IG Live, or go to honeydripnetwork/mentorship.com up here. You get what I'm saying? And look, it's a 4-week live. So yes, I will be teaching it live. This is not courses, because I learned that you guys aren't good at courses. You guys don't watch courses. But what you guys do like is live teaching. So that's just been our forte. And the only reason we do that and not courses, because that's the only way people learn. They don't like to watch videos. But I will give you the recordings for life. And it's 1 week, and it's a Q&A after each class. 2 classes per week. And then 1 week of, what do we have? This is step 1, step 2, 1 week of Q&As. So yep. So it's a 5-week thing. And then 30 days of live trading. So during that whole session, you're getting live trading, and then you're a profitable trader. It's a step process, and you win. So tap in. It's $1,200 for the ones who really want to take it serious. Tap in too. All right. But anyway, let's get back to these questions. So yeah, we got a small account class tonight. Somebody said Home Depot is crazy. All right, so somebody said, I'm in the group. My problem is I get out of trades too fast. Then the option will go to 100%. How do I know to hold? See, look, they're admitting that we get 100% bangers for them. So how do you learn to hold? For one, you got to have a target, my friend. So let me show you something. So if you go to the chart and you want to learn how to hold stocks, for one, you need to be buying a dip at all times, right? So you see how I got this box area that I've been telling you guys about for the longest? If I was to buy in this area of demand, I'm holding because I have a high of day target here or here. So my theory would be, okay, this is where I want to buy. You got to know your entry, and then you got to determine where you want to exit. Do you want to exit here, or here? Right? So what I like to do is buy dips only, and then holding is like, for instance, this is AMD. If I was to buy this dip, I would have waited till it got to the 200 in May, but it ended up probably having bullish divergence. Yep, AMD did have bullish divergence right there, but it had earnings too. But it still has bullish divergence on the RSI and MACD. So this would be a great entry, and I could hold either to the gap fill. I could say, okay, I'm going to get out of AMD when this gap is filled. You got to have specific targets. or am I doing a leap? You got to determine what you're trying to do. Is this short term or long term? Do I am I doing a short term swing and I just want my 100% gain, or do I want to add into a long term position because I believe in chips and AI for the future? I believe this thing could get past 200 again. You know what I'm saying? Like, you got to determine what exactly is your goal first, for real, for real. So my goal would probably be both: get this gap filled and do some leaps all the way out. And it had bullish divergence on the RSI and MACD, so that's pretty dope. For the ones who like, yeah, that's pretty dope. So let's answer some more questions. All right. I'm up 70% on Apple from Stock Sundays for free. Looking to join soon. So think about that, folks. For free, people have made money on Stock Sundays because I told them to buy Apple. That's dope. Let's see. Honey Drip Gang, the chat. Let me see. Let's move this thing. Where's the bright spot? This could be it right there. That's cool. Right there. All right. So Honey Drip Gang in the chat, your already started. What advice on sizing up in positions? So sizing up is, I wouldn't recommend sizing up. I would recommend staying consistent first. Staying consistent with a certain size first, and then you size up. When you can prove to yourself that you can consistently make money, then you'll develop what is called confidence. And when you have confidence, that is when you size up. If you're not confident in your strategy or your ability to trade, then you should not size up. So sizing up, one more time, is about confidence. So what I would recommend to do is build that confidence is to pick a size that's not too big, not too small, right where you want it. Consistently take every trade with that size. If you can prove to yourself that your strategy is worthwhile, and because you see as a month or 2 months or 3 months, you know, however long you want to do this, you got to give yourself a period of time of profitability before you size up. If not, when you size up, you're going to take losses because you don't have a trader's edge. So you should not size up if you don't have an edge. You know? So yep. Peace out, fam. See you soon in Discord. That's what's up. So let's talk about more stuff. Let's see. Reading these comments now. I want to join the trial, but I work a 9 to 5. Do you teach that? Yes. I teach how to make money while you have a 9 to 5. If you have a 9 to 5 and still want to make money, I do the small account challenge where I give you swing plays, some great high probability swing plays. So you don't have to watch. I'm essentially trading for you. All right. So that's what we do. Comment try if you want to tap into that. That's where the people have I'm the one who's responsible for making the people with 9 to 5s money. The people who can't really watch their investments too well, I'm responsible for that group of people. So that's why I'm so powerful, because, you know, you can damn near blindly follow my trades and still win. And I'm not even trying to be cocky or nothing. I'm being dead ass serious. I have not lost a trade in 3 weeks. You get what I'm saying? And that's the honest truth. And I can show you proof. I can show you proof. So for the one who, like, you know, now granted, you'll start to learn, but look, this is last week. 4 trades, I called all of them. And if you don't believe me, I'll show you. Uber, let's see when that was called. So just so you can see that I ain't cap. Uber, right here. Uber. I let them know we're getting in Uber. Let's see what else we call AbbVie. AbbVie. Let's see where AbbVie was. Let's see where I called this. See, I can go back and line search whatever I call AbbVie right here. AbbVie, and we made money off that. When the hell was this? Nah, that's a long ass time ago. That's 2023. Where's the AbbVie I recently called? There it go. I'm tripping. There we go. Damn, I've been doing the small account challenge for that long. And I called some shit in 2023. AbbVie. And then we made money. Look, I showed them my gains. We make money. Let's keep going though, folks. Let's keep going. What y'all got for me? Make sure y'all leave a like too. Make sure everybody leave a like. Let's see what else someone said. Honestly, I've been in the group for 2 weeks. All right, let's see what this person said. This person said, honestly, I've been in the group for 2 weeks. Ari's a true one, made money on all his trades, and his explanations on why he jumps in gives you setups you can take on your own. See? So think about that, folks. This person also made money. One thing about me is I ain't about to sit up here and cap and blow smoke up people's butts. All right? This is what we do. It's how we make money. If you got a 9-to-5 and you want to trade with us, tap in, comment trial. I cater to the 9-to-5 people, or click the link in the description if you're on YouTube. All right. How do we go around the taxes? You got to go to your local CPA, and they're going to determine how you should pay taxes on your capital gains. But what I have been doing now, I'm also up. I've been buying real estate. Real estate is an appreciating asset when you buy it. So it should level out your taxes. Now, granted, everybody doesn't have the money to buy real estate. So other ways you can offset taxes is write-offs. You get what I'm saying? Like, other than that, you got to go talk to a CPA. That's my general knowledge. I'm not going to pretend like I know the codes and the tax code, this and that. You got to think there's tax codes. I even have a book back there that I need to be reading, Taxes for Dummies, which I might just read, to be honest, because I'm about to get to a point where I just need to educate myself. Because why not? You know what I'm saying? I need to get my knowledge just more up. I have been getting great knowledge, though. Let's see. What else questions do you guys have? You called Lulu, HD, Uber, Intel, AbbVie, IBM. Yeah, I called a lot of stuff, my brother. Somebody said AbbVie was money. That's dope. But anyways, hey, other than that, folks, I hope you enjoyed Stock Sunday. This was the best Stock Sundays in a minute. We went over 3 trades that I like. We learned some stuff. I gave you guys great advice. If you want to tap in, come to the group chat. If you pay the $35 now, you'll be able to attend this live class at 9:30. All right, tap in, everybody. Comment trial if you're on IG Live, and if you're on YouTube Live, click the link in the description, or I'll pin the link in the comments. God bless everybody, and we out.